So there's the Cybertruck, guys, in service right now. This is the loaner Model Y that they gave me. To be honest with you guys, I'm not here to bash Tesla or put him down or anything, but my Cybertruck experience hasn't been good. Hasn't been good one bit. I took delivery on March 14th, and after 2 weeks, the truck went into service for like 3 weeks. The day I got it back, the truck developed more issues. You can't make this thing up. So I had to bring it back the next day for service after picking it up. And then not even a week after, here I am again. So it was actually last Saturday that I had to bring it back in because it developed the issue when I picked it up on Friday. Here I am today again, another Saturday, literally. Oh my goodness. At this point, I just think they need to give me a new truck. That's how I see it. I don't know, man. It's like, at some point you have to admit it. It might be a lemon. Everybody, all the hate comments and everything have been saying, yo, you got a lemon. And I've been there, you know, supporting Tesla throughout everything. You know, responding to all the hate comments, just being optimistic and positive towards the whole Tesla brand. I love Tesla. I love their cars. It's a first generation car, so yes, they are gonna have issues, but if you're having constant issues like this, where I can't even have the car for a week good, man, that's not fair. That's really not fair. And I think somebody higher up at Tesla needs to reach out to me and make it right. That's how I see it. And I'm pretty sure a lot of people sees it that way. I've never come on here and bash Tesla or put him down or call him, you know, anything. I've never did that to the brand. I've never did that to any company at all. That's not the person I am. Yes, it's an unfortunate situation, but I've been very patient, and you can only be patient so much. At this point, I need a truck. Just give me a new truck, because I don't know how long this one is gonna be here in service. Because when I picked it up, they gave it to me so I could have it for my birthday. And yeah, I didn't even have it for my birthday because I had to bring it back. So now I won't have the truck. Oh my goodness, you can't make this thing up, man. You can't. All the issues, so many issues. When they gave it back to me, when they replaced the wire harness, it was good, but it still had more things that they had to fix. But that's just cosmetic stuff. So I'm like, I'll take the truck, and when you get the parts in, I'll come back. You get it? So yeah, the main issue that it came in for was fixed, but they were still, the truck is not overall perfect, you know. The dashboard needs to be replaced because they got screw holes through it. A lot of stuff. It's just, but like I said, it's all cosmetic. As long as it was able to drive, I was willing to just take it home, and that's what I did. But here it is, back in service. I'm telling you, man, I might not be part of some cool club or whatever you call it at Tesla, but I've recommended a lot of people to buy Teslas. That's how I got referral credits and stuff. So, you know, I would say people are hearing my input, and that's going to influence their decision if they're going to buy a Tesla or even buy a Tesla Cybertruck. And I'm not telling anybody not to buy a Cybertruck, because to me it's the best car I've ever had. I love it. It's the best car or truck or whatever you want to call it. But I just think they need to make it right. I can't come here every week for service. A round trip is 5 hours, man. 5 hours just to get here. I can't do it. I can't. I just cannot do it. Right now there's a Cybertruck over there inside in the bay, and they said it's there for the same issue that I'm coming in with today. for the charger where it's not charging. Oh my gosh, man. I'm telling you, man. My first road trip I took yesterday. First road trip. And it couldn't even stand up to that. I plugged it in at the charger. I got there maybe with 30%. I plugged it in. It got up to about 77%. Then I got an alert on my phone that the vehicle stopped charging. So I went out. I unplugged it. I plugged it back in. And then shortly after, I got an alert again saying that charging stopped. At that point, it got up to 88%. I unplugged it again and tried to plug it in. Still not charging. I'm like, what in the world? So I was like, maybe something's going on with this charger here. I'm gonna take it home and we'll see if it charges. I got home, plugged it in. That thing is still not charging. I tried so many times last night to plug it in and out. Still not charging. Today it's the same thing, still not charging. I brought it here to Tesla service. They plugged it in and it's not charging. So that's confirmation for me that, hey, something bigger is going on with this truck. And at what point is Tesla gonna give me a new truck? I'm not trying to go through a lawyer and all of this stuff, man. You get me? There are lemon laws here in North Carolina that would, grant me the option to get a refund or a replacement truck. But I want Tesla to be the one to make it right. I shouldn't have to go out of my way just to do that. Try to file a claim or whatever. I'm here putting out all the issues. You guys are aware of this. You're aware. So just make it right in the eyes of your customers and everybody. It'll be a positive outcome for everybody. It's the first generation vehicle. This one is bad out the batch. Let's just take it back and we can analyze everything on this truck and make the future ones better. I'm here to support Tesla, man. Whatever issues they have, I'm trying to work through it and help them fix it. But I'm not gonna be here coming every week for service. Nah. You that ain't gonna work, man. I need my truck. I paid for this truck. I didn't get this truck for free. I didn't get a discount on this truck. My Model Y that I have that I just took delivery of 10 months ago, it's so, the value on that thing right now, it ain't even worth trading in. So, and I'm still here. 2 Teslas in less than a year. So I would say I'm a good customer to the brand. Plus, I'm also getting people to buy Teslas because they're amazing cars. I truly believe that. But that is first generation problems, and it's to be expected. But I'm saying at this point, Tesla just needs to give me a new truck. I don't know what else to do. I don't know who else to reach out to, because you call, you message everybody, and you can't get anybody to really answer you or anything. So what do I have to do? Got to put in a service ticket. And I'll try to message them sometimes and call, and I won't get a response. Because when you call the service line, nobody picks up, or it won't even give you the option to talk to somebody. So what do I have to do? I have to turn to social media and put it all on social media. And yet in that, I'm still not there bashing Tesla or anything, or, basically putting the company down. I'm not doing that. I'm doing it out of respect. I'm being very respectful. I'm letting you know, hey, this is the issue that I'm facing. This is what it's saying in the service logs, blah, blah, blah. Can we get this addressed? Oh, man. Right now it's just crazy, man. I love the Cybertruck, but right now it's like, I literally just took everything out of it, man. It's like, I don't even want to be next to it, to be honest. That's just how I feel right now. It's just how I feel. 3 weeks in service, and now it's back in service not even a week after. Who knows how long it's gonna be here? Huh? So what am I supposed to do? Just be here without a truck that I paid over $100,000 for? It's crazy, man. I'm not no fanboy. I'm not none of that. I don't suck up to people and none of that craziness, man. I bought the car for what it is. I like the cars. I like electric cars. Teslas are pretty much some of the best electric cars you can get. I'm not a fanboy. I respect Elon Musk for all that he does, but I'm not gonna be like, oh, fanboy running behind Elon Musk. Oh, Musk this, Musk that. People are telling me I got a lemon. People are telling me I got Musk. You know, I just remain positive through all of that. You know, it's just crazy, man. It's crazy. I don't know what else I gotta do. It's just frustrating. There's no way I should be going through this. And on top of that, the loaners you get, it's dirty as heck. It's dirty. Like, I have to clean it. Like, it smells so bad inside of them. It's like they don't change the air filters or nothing. It's all stained, all messy inside and outside. Dirty. Like, bad. Like, stink. You know? And I would think they would give me maybe an X or something, because I got a family. You know? That's why I have the Cybertruck. I had a Y. Luckily, they give me a Y now. But all the other times, they gave me like a Model 3. I got the Model 3. I had to bring that thing back because it stunk so bad. Then they gave me a Model Y. That was still stink. But I had to make it work. So, you know, the reason going from the Y to the Cybertruck is because I needed something bigger. And the truck is awesome. But, man, it's just crazy right now, man. This is craziness. Craziness. I'll keep you guys posted on everything that I hear from Tesla regarding this Cybertruck. So, subscribe, comment, like, and share. And stay tuned. Because right now, I don't know what else to do. I really don't. Peace out.